So I was just going to make a quick video to show you guys how to emergently do your pool pumps. So on each pool pump, there's usually a drain. It's usually just two. Looks like this one has three. But you can see down at the very bottom, there's one in the front. And this one has one on the other side. It's kind of hard to see. It's there. So I'm going to drain those. But first I'm going to do the pump, but it's just a 9/16 socket. And then what I'm going to do with the pump, just to make sure that we get this little guy ready for it, is I'm going to go ahead and turn off the pump. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on backwash. So I can get it just to get a bunch of the junk out. See, it's draining it up. And usually you just want to wait till the water looks pretty clear. And you can see there's some stuff coming out. I just don't want any of this to freeze. And this is a salt pool, so that's the reason you can see kind of the sand and stuff that's coming out. So we'll stop and let that drain, and then we'll put it in rinse. And now that that water has gotten clear, I'm going to take this guy and put it on the rinse setting, and then turn it back on, and just let it run for a while. That way this is completely empty. And as soon as that's over, I'm going to take the drain out of the bottom of it. That way it can empty out. I'm trying to see where that's at. We just moved here. Oh, it was probably right on the other side, and I didn't even see it. And I'm also going to take off the sight glass and our meter. Oh, there it is. So this one drains right there. And once you've had it rinsed out, and that's the color that you're looking for, just being clean, we can turn it off, and we can go ahead and take that plug out, take the other plugs out of that, and try to drain as much water as we can. And I couldn't tell if this had a neutral setting because this is in such bad shape. So I ended up just putting it halfway in between two settings. That way it won't get froze in a setting. So that should allow this, after this freezing weather's over, to be able to come back and turn this back on. I usually just leave it running, but we're expecting a lot of sleet, freezing rain, and snow. So it's going to get pretty bad for us in Alabama that are not used to it. And once those guys are out, you can see it's draining water. You can open the top if you want, it'll vent it, let it come out faster. A lot of people store their parts in there. I'm going to take mine inside because I'll do something stupid if I don't. Now I got this guy opened up, let it drain. And that should have most everything. This is the big part that would freeze, and of course it's good to have your pool covered, but Alabama, we don't usually see this much freezing stuff that's about to happen. Main reason I'm doing that, I'm gonna have to kill the power that's going to this box to tie in our auxiliary generator to where we can have power for the house. Because I said we could be without power for a few days. So if you do tie in an auxiliary generator to your house, make sure to kill the main service coming in, or you'll have a huge problem when the power comes back on from the city. But hope this helped. You guys have a good day.